Just give it some power. I can feel it. There you go. Okay. If it's coming up, Boogie. Come on. Let me show you. Come on. We'll rotate. Okay. You ready? Don't let it go. You feel lifting?
Yeah, so don't almost drop this much away from it. That's how I did it last time.
Is it lifting?
But don't
Quit
let
the talking. Quit the talking. Is it lifting?
Yeah.
Let it go. Let it go.
Sometimes I'm really bad at it.
Okay.
So how do I tell if it's lifting?
It's like it's pulling from you.
Like,
Okay. You feel like it's pulling?
not yet. A little more now.
Okay.
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Let go.
Okay, don't let it get to that mark. So what we don't want it to do is get to that post board right there.
Your
So-
turn.
Alright, so we don't want it to get to that end of the post line.
Just put the thing in your hand.
Okay.
Good.
Alright, cool. You ready?
Yeah. A little more. A little more. There you go. There you go. A little power. There you go.
That's probably a record that we can make it stand in the air.
Can it move? You're pulling from me, son.
Go a little bit more. Go a little bit more. Alright, cool. That's it.
Let go.
Alright, cool. Whoa. Go away. Half second. Let's see if you can land it.
I'm trying to see if I can move it around first for you.
Alright, so
Hold on.
that laser is really heavy. I think you're clear to land, right?
Away from me. You poke an eye out with that thing.
Maybe poke his hand out.
Fatality.
You
Yep.
taking pictures?
Yeah, it's a fatality.